Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a very healthy and easy chaat recipe that will also help us in weight loss. Plus this recipe is packed with calcium, proteins and high fibers. And trust me guys, this recipe is not only healthy, it also tastes super yummy. So now let's get started with the recipe. So first I'll be preparing makhana chaat. For this I'll be needing 1 cup makhanas, freshly chopped veggies. Now in a pan I'll take 1 spoon of ghee. Now I'll be roasting makhanas on a medium flame. While roasting, make sure that the makhanas are crispy. Well, makhanas are low in cholesterol, fat, sodium and is a perfect snack for those who are suffering from high blood pressure, heart disease or diabetes. Now add salt as per your taste. Here I am using Himalayan salt and now saute them for at least 2 minutes. Once the makhanas are done, I will just transfer them to a bowl and allow them to cool down completely. Now I'll be adding handful of roasted peanuts. Now I'll be adding half spoon of cumin powder, jeera powder, 1/4 spoon of red chili powder, lal mirch powder, 1 spoon of chopped green capsicum, one tablespoon chopped carrots, 1 tablespoon chopped onions, 1 tablespoon chopped tomatoes, 1 spoon of tamarind and dates chutney. Now 1 spoon of coriander and mint chutney. Now mix them all. Make sure you have this chaat within 30 minutes as it will turn soggy later. Now add coriander leaves and mix them all together. And here the makhana chaat is ready to serve. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Now add some pomegranate as a topping and sprinkle some besan save on top and enjoy this low calorie chaat with your family and friends. Now let's move to the next recipe, chickpea oats chaat. This recipe begins with soaking the chickpea or chana with sufficient water for ideally 8 hours. Further, I have boiled and cooked these chanas with 3-4 whistles in pressure cooker, which will make it soft and tender. I've also chopped half onion, tomato, cucumber, carrots and coriander leaves. To make this chaat more interesting and healthy, I'm also taking half cup of oats. I will first roast them on a medium flame. Once the oats are roasted, I will transfer them in a bowl and will soak them in water for around 10 minutes. Oats contains a powerful soluble fiber, plus it also improves blood sugar levels. Now firstly, in a mixing bowl, I'll add boiled chana, now I'll be adding freshly chopped onions, now I am adding freshly chopped tomatoes, some chopped carrots, some chopped cucumber, now I'll be adding rolled oats which I soaked for around 10 minutes. Now I'll mix it well. Make sure that everything is combined well. This chaat is a good source of calcium and protein, especially for vegans. Plus, it can keep you going for hours by keeping you full. Now add chopped green chilies as per your taste and some freshly chopped green coriander. Add salt as per your taste. Here I am adding Himalayan salt. Squeeze in half a lemon. Now I am adding half spoon of cumin powder, jeera powder. Now to make it super healthy, I am also adding in some roasted flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in fiber and are high in omega-3 fats. Mix well. Now for this extra tangy taste, I am also adding 1 spoon of mint and coriander chutney. Now here the chickpea chaat is ready to serve. Now just before serving, top it with coriander leaves and enjoy. I really hope that you enjoy this healthy recipe, and if you really enjoy this healthy recipe, do share it with your friends and family. Thank you all.